YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back. So again today we've got a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400. This is their 4-wheel cleaner. This will also work with the AquaNaut 450. So if you have the same cleaner, you guys are able to get all of these quick fixes done. So from the intro to now, you guys can tell the cleaner has been stripped down to pretty much nothing. If you guys want to know how I got here, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. For today's video, you don't necessarily need to get where I am right now. We are going to remove the bottom throat on the cleaner, which is basically a restriction orifice for all of the debris that the cleaner can accept. So Hayward does have a small, a medium, and a large throat option. They normally come standard with a medium option. So what you're looking for is you're going to flip the cleaner over, and you'll see right here on the bottom, you're going to see a lot of L's and R's, and you'll actually see this throat at the very bottom. This is where all of the debris is forced to and then sucked up into the actual cleaner, into your leaf catcher, pump basket, whatever it may be, whichever your setup is. But this will be the main orifice where all of that dirt and debris goes to. So again, if you're dealing with different size debris and issues, you will want to adjust this accordingly. Well, like I said, standard is typically medium because most of the debris, other than that, you're gonna run into issues with clogging up that turbine on the inside. So I do want to show you guys how to remove it and then be able to replace it with whichever one that you guys choose. So you guys will see it has what looks to be push tabs right here on the bottom, right next to the actual throat orifice. So you're gonna go ahead and kind of push down on those, and then you're gonna need to, magically use 3 fingers at the same time to be able to push those tabs in, as well as lift the throat up. So it can take a few tries of trying to get it where you're pushing on both those tabs and using one finger to reach in and grab the actual throat adjustment in. So again, it's gonna have a direction, so you're gonna follow the frame itself. It's gonna have an L on one side and R on the other. The throat will have the same. Typically, you're going to be reading the size of the throat closer towards those rear wheels on this. This will also work with most of the AquaNauts or other pool cleaners, but we will have individual videos for those for you guys. So once you get your new one, really simple, you just kind of line it right back up into that same orifice, and you just push it until you hear the click. Once it clicks in, then you guys are good to go. You guys can go ahead, put the cleaner back in the pool, get it started. Again, I have this one stripped down, so you would require a lot more parts to fix it until you got to that point. But today's quick fix, I just want to show you guys how to change that orifice based off of the size of debris in your pool. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as other cleaners out there on the market. So until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.